try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, news and nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 7.0, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is attractive and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Some offers are available online for this property along with various meal plans and living policies. Online information can be found through the link provided in the description. For more details, check the description. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this property, get in touch with us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed